Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to connect Google Drive to N8N. So first, you will go to Google Cloud Console and create a project and enable the Google Drive API. So after that, you will have to set up the OAuth consent screen and create OAuth 2.0 credentials. And step 3, you will go to your N8N dashboard and then you will go ahead and click on the personal section and click credentials, and once you're here you will add your first credential and go ahead and look for Google OAuth API and then click continue, and once you're here you will have to paste the client ID and secret. Then you will have to add a Google Drive node and then you will authenticate with your Google account. You can now upload, download, or list files from your Google Drive. Test it using as execute node, then integrate it into any automation. And that's basically it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.